Hey, I'm Kat, and I'm going to show you the MightyCall webphone functionality. The webphone is integrated into the system, so you can easily open it at any time and dial the number you want to reach. Please make sure you've enabled the microphone in the browser, or your callers won't be able to hear you. At the bottom of the webphone, you can see the list of your business numbers you can call from, and the gear icon for ringtone, microphone, and speaker headset settings. Just open the dial pad and start entering the number. You will see some suggestions appear. These are your contacts with the same set of digits and their phone numbers. Once you've dialed the number, hit call to start the conversation. In the MightyCall webphone, you can transfer calls, add participants to the call, and open a dial pad to dial extensions. Let's test it and add another teammate to the call, so now there are 3 participants on the call. Now you've seen all you need to successfully use the MightyCall webphone. Happy calling!